Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to edit your footer on Squarespace. Let's get straight into it. First, open any page on your site and click the Edit button in the top left corner. This puts you into edit mode where you can start making changes. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see your footer section below all your main page content. When you hover over it, the footer will gray out. That's how you know you're in the right spot. Click Edit Footer to open the footer editor. You'll now see all the editable blocks and sections that make up your footer. If you want to add new content to your footer, click the Add Block button in the top left corner of the footer section. A menu pops up showing all the different block types you can add. You've got text blocks for things like your address or copyright info, social links blocks, newsletter blocks, and button blocks. Click whichever one you need and it drops into your footer. If you want to add an entirely new section to your footer, you'll find an Add Section option. This lets you add blank sections or footer-style block sections. You can also pull in any saved sections you've created elsewhere on your site. To style any footer section, maybe change the background, color, or adjust the layout, hover over that section and click Edit Section. A panel opens up with options for layout, background, and color style. Make your changes there. Once you're happy with everything, click Save to apply your changes. If you want to exit the editor completely, click Exit and then Save again. Your footer updates will now be live across your entire site. Your footer content displays the same on every page of your site, so any changes you make here apply everywhere. The block types you'll use most often are text blocks for copyright and contact info, social links blocks to connect visitors to your socials, and newsletter blocks if you're collecting emails. One thing to watch out for, the footer section styling you set applies to that specific section only, so if you add multiple sections, you'll need to style each one separately if you want them to match. Before you publish, preview your site to see exactly how the footer appears to visitors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.